The best price that we've offered in 7 years, you're getting both for $39. These have been selling so incredibly well. As we've talked about this, these are medical grade detox pads. Dr. Nassif, your #1 best-selling detox pads worldwide and globally. I'm gonna give you an opportunity, Dr. Nassif, to kind of walk us through why they're different, why they're better, why they're unique compared to others that are out there. Single ship or auto ship is the way to go. The opportunity to get these on the auto ship at 120 days to be shipped at this price that has never, ever, ever been offered in 7 years since you've launched your #1 bestseller is an opportunity that should not be overlooked at all. I'm strongly recommending the auto ship. Walk us through these pads because they're medical grade, but they deliver so much to our skin, and they're for every type of skin, every age.
Absolutely, I would love to. As you mentioned, we sold millions of these. And just to let you all know, these are medical grade key ingredients. And the secret sauce is the ethyl absorbic acid with the alpha and beta hydroxy acid with the antioxidants, which do so many things as an anti-aging treatment, exfoliator, and cleanser. But let me just tell you all one thing. If you do auto ship, which you have to, don't do 120 days. I want you to use these twice a day. You got to do it in 2 months because I want you to use 2 of these a day after you shower and then when you get home. Now let's talk about how these work. #1, they exfoliate dead skin cells. So important as we get older. Removes debris and residual makeup. 108% better than soap and water. Cleans out the pores, then those pores shrink, which makes your texture, to me, like glass. Softens the look of fine lines and wrinkles. It evens out your skin tone. It firms the appearance of the skin and hydrates. All those with one pad. Now, every one of my patients use these for 4 weeks prior to surgery to prep their skin. And let me mention a few comments. So I use these twice a day. Now, I got to tell you, I hate washing my face at night. It's just kind of a hard thing to do. It's a bummer in a way. But these, I have these by my bed, simplest thing in the world. And 15 seconds to beauty, wiping away literally the signs of aging. Twice a day, all ages, teenagers on up, all genders can use these. And I will tell you something, it is the simplest thing in the world to use, even if you hate skincare. Now, let's say you got a skincare line that you love, whether it's mine or someone else's. Let's say you're gonna use the Hydra Skin, which we're coming up soon, the deluxe size. Don't waste your money on any product if it's not going to be effective. How is it not going to be effective? Because if it's sitting on dead skin cells and not clean skin, it's not going to work. And in a minute, we'll show you a clinical study of what I mean about this. So you just grab the top one, huh, Marla?
Yeah, I just wanted to show everybody just how hydrating they are. You know, you talked about how it's so difficult, you know, sometimes to be able to really cleanse your skin. I want to show everybody the difference side by side because the reason why these continuously become a customer pick, the difference between cleaning your skin in the typical way that we clean our skin versus using these medical grade detox pad. And Dr. Nassif, kind of walk us through what we're seeing here.
Sure. So when I talk about the medical grade key ingredients, if I think I put around 7 different key ingredients together to do what I'm going to demonstrate here. So this is fluorescent makeup on your left of your screen. Now that is thick, that's inside your pores. Now the soap and water residue left inside your pores, you can see it. And on the far right of your screen, you see what's in the detox pad. And this was a clinical study with the 30 subjects. And when they took these numbers, and maybe we can pop that up on the left side, it was 108% more effective. 108, more than double more effective using a detox pad. So remember, to all of you listening, I don't care where you live across the country. I don't care what type of skin you have. I just want you to try these because this is why we've sold millions across the globe. We don't have to, and I mentioned this earlier in another show with Marlo, I said, we don't have to sell these at $39 for 2 of them. I think you said $46.95 is one. Yeah. Because they sell all over the world, you know, at full retail. You're not getting these in my medical practice, obviously, this price, but it's our Black Friday deal.
You lowest price we've ever offered, Dr. Nassif.
Yeah, and you got to get auto ship. You know that.
Okay, here's an update on that auto ship. And the reason why we mentioned the auto ship is Okay, how many do we have remaining in the auto ship? Okay, single ship is a little bit more limited. So in the single ship, for only 1,400 remaining. That's such a small amount, that quantity will probably sell out in the very next airing. If you'd love to have it, I'm encouraging you to shop. Special holiday packaging, close to 3,000 of you have ordered. In the 7 years that we have launched, #1 best-selling in the Detox Pads, #1. Customer pick, all skin types, all ages. Everyone should be using the Detox Pads, everyone. There's nothing on the market quite like this. #1 best-selling product worldwide. These are all full sizes. You get 120 pads. This is the lowest price. This is going to be the end of the year blowout. We still give you our unconditional holiday extended return policy. $13 in free shipping gets us on board. If you want that auto ship, come on in. The reason why we highly recommend the auto ship is because we have never offered this low price. Usually one 60 count sells for $46.95. You get 2 for less than you'd pay for 1. I'm gonna repeat that. You get 2 jars for less than you'd pay for 1. I think we can all do that math, which is why the auto ship is the most popular, and which is why we're encouraging you to choose the auto ship. Here's how the auto ship works, and Donna, we're gonna be coming to you in a matter of moments. With the auto ship, you'll receive this every 120 days. You can cancel without penalty, and you can customize. But every 120 days, you'll get this auto ship at this lowest price in 7 years. Value. Auto ship is the way to go if you can. If you want it just as a one-time purchase, maybe you're new and you're like, okay, all right, sounds good, but I just want to try it for the first time, then we just have a little over 1,000 to ship. Free shipping all day long. Donna, we're going to go to you. Donna's been working with Dr. Nassif, and of course, there's so many choices on the market, and I know that Dr. Nassif, you've worked with Donna. Donna's one of those models that you have worked with a lot. These girls work a lot of hours. Donna's probably had, what, 2-3 hours sleep on the day, right? You talked about Dr. Nassif. Sometimes we get home, we're tired, Donna, right? Yeah. And as much as we want to say we go home and we gently remove some of the makeup off of our faces, when you're using a lot of the wipes that are on the market, it doesn't necessarily remove all the makeup, Donna.
You know, I thought I was removing all my makeup, whether I used a traditional wipe or whether I used soap and water, until I started using the Detox Pads and saw just exactly what was left. My skin feels brighter, it feels firmer, exfoliated. I love the fact that it not only cleans my face, but they also leave a good skin treatment behind. So my skin actually, it feels and looks better than it did, you know, 7-8 years ago, and it really should look and feel better as I'm getting older, but it does. So I can do another demo on the other side because I only removed the makeup on one side. You'll see regular makeup wipe. Thought I was getting my face clean. I'm scrubbing really hard with it. And I'll show you, there's a lot of makeup on there, and I thought that it was clean. I'm gonna take a detox pad, go over the same exact area, and you're gonna see how much makeup was left behind.
Wow. That's incredible. Because one of the things these detox pads do is they actually also exfoliate your skin, Dr. Nassif. And I want to show that, I don't know what's the medical term for it, Dr. Nassif, but I know that you use medical grade equipment to show our skin. What's the medical term for this camera that you're using, Dr. Nassif?
Yeah, so it's a Vizia.
Vizia.
And, you know, and what you're looking at, and then I'll make sure I want to make a comment, by the way, about exfoliation and also about Donna with the texture of those pads and the makeup wipe. So here, this is fluorescent makeup. Now what you see is what's left on your skin after using soap and water. This was our clinical study to show how and why. So let me say this another way. You just saw a makeup wipe, removed makeup. Now you saw the residue left behind. Soap and water, you get in there and use a rag and you're pretty in there trying to clean your face. It looks good. But how does this detox pad, how is it that effective? And the effective comes, the secret sauce to all this is the key medical grade ingredients that I'm putting to you in this, because not all ingredients are made the same or the same quantities made by a facial plastic surgeon. Donna, can I ask you a question? Now, listen, compared to that, or how does on your face the makeup wipe feel in regards to, is it kind of rough on your face? And
Yes.
how is the texture, or how does the detox? And I'm asking you. You tell me what you think. How does it feel? Because remember, we know it's doing its job, but is it roughing up your face, kind of irritating, or what?
It does. It irritates my face, and it feels rough on my face, just like, you know, a regular washcloth feels, actually. And the detox pad is gentle and soft on my face.
That's a good point.
But I know that it's exfoliating. It's gently exfoliating because my skin feels better. I don't have the issues that I used to have before I was using the detox pads. And I feel like my serums that I put on afterwards, and you know, the face creams and everything else that I use from your line absorb so much better from the gentle exfoliation from the detox pads.
Well, I'm encouraging
Yeah, I
everyone
mean,
to shop. And Dr. Nassif, I apologize there.
No, go ahead, please.
Exfoliator,
Please.
anti-aging cleanser, lowest price that we've ever offered in 7 years. Come on in. I want to show you how many of these have ordered. Only 1,100 remaining in the single ship. That's a small quantity, as these are disappearing. These are full sizes. You get a 60 count in each of the jars, so that's a total of 120. Sold separately on any regular day. You wouldn't get the holiday packaging, so these are great gifts. This is perfect for anyone of any age. I think about the young people, right? The young people who, you know, sometimes are a little bit lax with maybe cleansing their skin as well as they should, right? Especially those that are involved in athletes, but just being a teenager or being, you know, a young person on the go and busy. This is perfect for them, especially for that auto ship, to keep their skin nice and clean. These are medical grade, as we talked about. But at any age, you know, most of the hosts are using these because obviously we're on TV. This is how we make our living. We need our skin to be at its very best. And we get tired too. We come home sometimes, Dr. Nassif, and taking off all this TV makeup, and, you know, listen, we need our skin to be at its very best. We get breakouts like everybody else, and to be able to get in there and exfoliate and to have the anti-aging and to have medical grade, it's important for us all to have something like this. From day one, you hit the ground running, and this has been #1 for you. 5-star customer pick on our website, #1 best-selling globally, but in 7 years, we have never offered a price like this. I'm inviting you to come on in. It's our big beauty day. All free shipping and handling on all beauty. And if you've not tried these, or if you are absolutely a fan, free shipping, stock up and get that auto ship. We've never offered this lowest price ever. It's better than the buy one, get one. $46.95 normally for one. So for less than you'd pay for 160 count, you're getting 2. For less than you'd pay for one $46.95 jar of 1, you're getting 2. And that is why that auto ship is really, really critical for you to consider. And the beautiful thing about the auto ship is that if you should change your mind on the back end, no penalties, no trouble, no worries, because you can customize it or cancel at any time. I want to go back from the very beginning, because you hear us talk to world-renowned Dr. Nassif. You've seen him on Botch. We've talked at the very beginning about your storied career. And Dr. Nassif, I hid my cards, but I've got to read it because, I mean, when we talk about your career, and it's just really remarkable. Born and raised in Los Angeles, educated at hospitals throughout the country. You were drawn to facial plastic surgery, and your talent, ethics, and attentive care make you today one of the most sought-after, world-renowned, board-certified facial plastic and reconstructive surgeons in the world. You operate a very extensive, beautiful medical practice in Beverly Hills, as well as medical spas in Beverly Hills, also in the UK. We watched you as one of the beloved stars on Botched, but we are so fortunate to be able to have your medical grade products here at HSN for the past 7 years. We've never offered these prices. These are the lowest prices in 7 years. We are in limited quantities, single ship, auto ship. If you want that single ship, just about 1,000 that we can get to you at these lowest prices ever. Special holiday packaging, free shipping. Kevin is our producer. Kevin, when does the all beauty free shipping expire? Midnight. Yikes. Tonight, he told me. That's in a few hours. All beauty free shipping expires tonight. Get on it. Don't wait. Dr. Nassif, all beauty free shipping expires tonight. These are the biggest values, guys, that you'll see all year. And those detox pads, free shipping, all expires tonight. We're so thrilled. We're just getting warmed up. Please continue to shop hsn.com, shop our QR code. Because that all beauty free shipping expires tonight, I urge you to our website at hsn.com. Shop your shampoos, shop all of your beautiful nail care products and all the gifts that you are considering to give this holiday season, because we do enjoy free shipping. And it is T-minus countdown time for our wonderful Christmas gifts. We are so thrilled that you are shopping. My name is Marlo. Thank you so much for being here. And we so enjoy having Dr. Nassif here for this big hour. Please continue to shop. Hundreds and hundreds of you on the phone lines, of course, for our wonderful detox pads. Those are very, very limited, and especially in that single ship. I'll keep you posted. It is time, Dr. Nassif, though, for us to also offer, first time ever at the lowest price in 7 years, the cleanser. We all need to be cleansing our skin properly. We offer the detox pad because that's quick and that's easy, right? That's something that you can keep on your nightstand and your gym bag, right? That's that quick and easy. But we want to also give everybody a chance to own that full jumbo size of the 24 ounce of your best-selling gentle cleanser. Let's get into this, Dr. Nassif. Best price ever. We do have the auto ship this